I don't wanna say anything.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day we are finally going to do it. We're going to be taking my Leadfoot Gray 2020 Ford F150 XLT Sport. We are going to be covering the wheels and the badges with a black base coat of your standard Plasti dip, and then over the top of that we are going to be hitting it with a copper colored Metallizer, also from Plasti dip. This is going to be the most insane, unique, coolest color combination out there. Nobody out there has ever done a color combination like this. I had the vision for it when I was looking at some of the older generations of like the King Ranch style F150 color combinations, how they would do like a black and a tan and a brown and a green, and I was thinking like, man, I have a gray, what's another, you know, base color or whatever that I could stack on top of this. And I had the idea to do a copper coating color combination with the Leadfoot Gray. So I've already got the wheels prepped, I've already got the badges prepped. All we have to do is spray it down. I'm super excited to show you guys the process and what it looks like at the end. If you're brand new to the channel, this is what the truck looks like right now. It's a 2020 F150 XLT Sport in the Leadfoot Gray color. I added the bull bar, I added the Raptor grille, I added this custom, actually did it myself, an FORD color match Leadfoot Gray lettering to the front. I've got a leveling kit on it. I've got some cool Diode Dynamics LED lights. And now what I want to do is really make it a one-of-a-kind, unique truck. These are what the stock rims look like. These are what come on the truck, you know, the XLT Sport package. I've already got a black base coat right here. We're going to be hitting, you know, the copper Metallizer over the top of it. It looks awesome. Prior to this color combination, I had the wheels black, the badges blacked out. I was going for like a cool, you know, Leadfoot Gray black color pattern. It did look awesome, but there are other trucks out there that have the gray and black, the silver and black color combination on it. And I want this truck to be unique, one of a kind, one of one, made and done and built by me. So now we are going to be doing the copper and Leadfoot Gray color combination. Keep in mind, if you're going to be using this product, it's not going to look exactly the same when you apply it as when it dries. As you apply these coats, as it dries lighter and lighter. So if you spray it and it looks too dark, let it dry, let it cure fully, then it will show the true color that it's actually going to be. Then you can decide from there if you want to add more colors. In case you all are wondering, feels like 108. Yeah, it's pretty hot right now. right, we've got the driver's side front wheel off. It has got 4 or 5 thick coats of the black base coat. So we're gonna now get prepared to start hitting it with the Metallizer. The badges are done. Obviously they have to get peeled and everything, but I'm letting that stuff dry. That way it'll be easier to pull around everything. Don't want to touch it while it's still tacky and soft to the touch. But we are gonna start on all the wheels now. I just have to go 1 coat lighter on this one. I actually did that one a while ago when I was testing to see if I would like this color combo or not. I know I like it, so I'm actually gonna be taking this front wheel off and going 1 coat heavier to match this color scheme. And then obviously we still got to do the 2 back tires. Okay, so after the second coat has been applied, I'd say it's a really solid match with the badges that we got going on here. So this is what the wheel will look like, the finished product rather. As you can tell, we need to hit this guy that we did a little bit ago with another coat, bring up the color a little bit, get it a lot brighter like this guy is. Obviously the light is hitting this wheel and not that wheel, but this still is definitely lighter and matches the badges that we got over here perfectly. So this is what the finished product will look like. Oh yeah, all right, so we got the other wheel off now. Badges look good. Got the second coat applied to this to make it match this one. As you can see, they now match each other. This is literally taken all day. I still have the back wheels to do. It feels like 106 or 108 degrees or whatever. It's hot as crap. But I'm committed. It's gonna be worth it in the end. Let's go. 7 p.m., or at least a little bit past it. We got both of the front wheels on and colored. Let's see, we gotta get some light in here. Colors matched well. I actually like the fact on this that the lug nuts are still chrome. I think it looks awesome. We'll get you better lighting, don't worry. Oh, this is gonna look so stupid cool. Look at this color combination, guys. Oh golly. Oh, you guys just wait until all the wheels are on and you're seeing it in the sunlight. Oh, this is gonna look so cool. 10:27. Started this project this afternoon at about noon. So yeah, it's been quite a long day. Just got the final coat of the, sorry, got a little cramped. Just got the final coat on the last 2 wheels. It looks amazing. I'm so happy that I'm finally done with this whole project. There's the light. But yeah, this has been a really long day. I'm pretty tired. I still have to wait a couple hours for these guys to cure. Dude, they just look so freaking cool. Then I'm gonna put them back on the truck. Obviously they'll sit overnight. And then yeah, we'll show you guys what the finished product looks like tomorrow. I'm tired, but I tell you what, when you enjoy what you do, it doesn't feel like work. And putting in a 10 and a half, 11, 12 hour day, it's easy. So I don't even know if this part will make it to the YouTube video or not. I don't want to sound like I'm bragging or anything like that, but I love this. I love this stuff. I could do this stuff day in, day out. I've done it with old trucks, I'm doing it with this truck, and I'm gonna keep doing it regardless of if this channel turns into something or not. And I just really appreciate all of you guys tuning in, supporting me since day one, and giving me something to look forward to sharing all of these projects with. Yeah, thank you guys, and like I said, we're gonna let these guys cure, let them dry, put them back on the truck, and we'll show you guys the finished product in the morning. Alright guys, there you have it. Here is the final finished product for this color combination. It turned out so stinking cool. I have never seen a color combination like this before. I do not believe one exists today, and we were the first ones to do it. It looks amazing. The product to make this happen was only like 50-60 bucks. I'll link the wheel kit below. It was literally just some black Plasti dip and then some copper Metallizer overspray to go over the top of it. Really the only thing you're committing to it is like 60 bucks and a couple hours of your time. But like I said, it looks incredible. I am so glad I went with this color. The black looked good, but this looks infinitely cooler and better. Next up on the agenda is to, honestly, I'm probably going to take this and match it to the copper Metallizer. Now that I know that it looks awesome, I think I have to pull the trigger, honestly. Oh, the lighting's bad over here, but man, it just looks so good. I love the fact that the lug nuts are a different color too. It adds a cool another color pop to the wheel, with the lug nuts being silver, the wheel being black, and the tire being black, and obviously the wheel being bronze. Gosh dang, just looks so cool. When the sunlight hits this copper Metallizer, it has the most amazing shine to it. I cannot get over this, guys. I've gotten so many compliments on this already. I've only had it on my truck for about a couple days. Everybody who has seen it has loved it and has said that they never would have thought that this color combination would have worked out. And honestly, it certainly was a gamble, but I'm glad that I went with it. I've taken a bunch of risks on this channel with my vehicles, doing color combinations and stuff like that, and so far I think that they have all turned out awesome. I understand this color combination might not be for everybody, but for me, I love it and I think it looks awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. As always, thank you so much for subscribing. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. One last shot of the truck. Thank you guys again for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.